When I got into crypto about 10 years ago, that was in 2014, I came obviously from the medical field. And I got into crypto because I was so excited about what crypto could mean, how different crypto was to anything I had seen up to that point. It didn't have decentralized parties. The rules were so different. It wasn't an open ecosystem. It was about being libertarian. It was about possibilities and opportunities. I kind of developed this mission, what I back then called making people crypto fit. Fit for this world, for crypto, for blockchain. That's how my YouTube channel got started. This is how I wrote the book Cryptocurrency Simply Explained, or then Blockchain 2.0, more than just Bitcoin. It was not about that Bitcoin was going to replace the dollar, or it was not about that crypto was going to replace everything, or blockchain is going to be the solution to everything. It was more that these things were going to be super exciting, they're going to be super useful, but not in replacing other things necessarily, but really more that you should get interested in this and see what potentials and opportunities you had in this. From there, actually in 2015, I then started my past company, which was all about making crypto spendable. And it was kind of an extension to all that. It was the logical connection to how Cake got started. What's the power of decentralization, which is you put the power into the people's hands, you also put the responsibility into people's hands. And people actually don't want that all the time. They want to have this hand-holding. They want to have customer service. They want to have someone that they can go to. And so with Cake, we started this in order to provide people access to all these exciting opportunities. And look, at that point, 2018, 2019, this was the transition from just investing into crypto to suddenly DeFi and then later on NFTs, which was really a lot about cash flow in your crypto. And so that is why the original mission at Bake was really providing people cash flow in their crypto. But there was actually a deeper mission. It was not just about staking and liquidity mining and tokenization and whatever, all these insane, crazy things that provided people hundreds of % of returns. It was actually about leveling the crypto playing field. When I look back, to me, there were kind of three groups that I just always disliked. It was either those trading platforms that promised people all these crazy returns, but at the end, people would just always lose money in them. There were VCs and large kind of players, just like in the banking world, that by design set up things to kind of take money from the retail investors for their own benefit. And then sometimes the engineers, and again, I don't want to blame the very technical, skilled engineers there. This is just how it is. These engineers developed and designed a lot of these really great ideas, but they were so difficult to capture for the average market. And so I always thought the key to our company should be to remove the technical complexities, to not allow the VCs to front run, not being this crazy casino like trading platforms, but to really be a platform where people in a transparent manner, easy manner, get access to these great investment opportunities. And sure, at the beginning, this was all about cash flow, but now it's about so many other things. It's about being able to bundle ideas together. We have these smart bundles. It's about getting access to new coins, to new layers, to ideas of going short something, long something else. The mission had always been the same. Bake does this for the retail side, leveling the crypto playing field for retail. Levain does this for companies and startups, providing access for these companies, financial institutions, startups, and so on, to get access to crypto from a custodial side, from an access side, API side. When I look at our R&D team, Birthday Research, doesn't matter if it's on DeFi chain or things that are being built, it's actually about builders who should get access as simple as possible into the Web3 space. And I think there's so much room still there where we have these typical Web2 builders, like this typical internet startup place today that could easily transition into the blockchain space if the tools become easier, if the programming languages become easier. As in, at the end, the mission had always been the same in all these various verticals. And it's just important to remind ourselves what this means for our customers on the retail side, what this means for the companies we work with Levain, with the builders and engineers on the open source side. And it also reminds us who actually goes against that, right? It's those groups of people that try to split people apart, that try to tell you not to kind of level the playing field, but actually create superior things, which many times is actually just there to move money out of your pocket into their pocket. And that is what I fundamentally stand against, and the entire group in its various verticals. And this vision for the company as being this one-stop platform for all these opportunities, for finding the signal from the noise, for finding the next unicorn. And the only way this is going to be possible if we level the crypto playing field. And so I'm so excited to be with you on this journey as the CEO of a team of just about a bit more than 100 people, but also obviously for hundreds of thousands of our customers. And I can't wait to show you all these other opportunities that we have in mind. So Happy New Year to a really prosperous 2024. Thank you so much, Julian.